For me, an innovative person is someone who is curious so that it's always looking around, so that it can see the problems of the real world in order to tackle them, in order to be able to solve them.
Hello from Barcelona iDay 2019. I'm happy to be here with about 89 students from around Europe, European talents called to solve challenges and to address challenges with novel solutions. What EIT Health is doing with this kind of events is empowering them to be the next generation of innovators and entrepreneurs around Europe.
The University of Barcelona is committed with the entrepreneurship, and we have approved a new plan for entrepreneurship in the students that will embrace all the students in the university, developing and fostering her entrepreneurial attitude. In this scheme, we have also started this new space of more than 500 square meters for the entrepreneur initiatives of the students.
Innovation Days are activities aimed to awake creativity and also to awake the entrepreneurial journey among students, PhD candidates and postdocs around Europe.
And today I have been here acting as a jury of the Innovation Day, and it has been great to see how many students are involved in innovation projects and the quality of these innovation projects. So I have been impressed, and I think it has been a very successful journey.
What I really enjoyed about this event is the ability to form bonds with a team and to develop an idea with them up to a certain point of maturity.
We have just finished this Innovation Day here in Barcelona. That was the first participation of Essilor to that Innovation Day, and it was very impressive to see all that students working out these challenges. Essilor provided one challenge about the vision and road safety, which is a very important societal issue. So we had many students that brainstormed about new ideas, new solutions to tackle that very important issue for the society. And eventually we have to think how to use all the ideas that flew during that brainstorming, that event. And it was a very positive experience for me, and hopefully for Essilor also.
We found this event very interesting. We came up with an idea that the jury liked, so we are going to go to Paris, and we are very glad that they gave us this opportunity.
And we found the event very interesting and challenging, and I think it's a great opportunity to make our solutions and our ideas a viable solution for the future. I definitely recommend the students to come here and join us in the next year.